and welcome back to my channel. I just did my makeup because I wanted to film like a little TikTok video. For the longest time I was not very active on TikTok. I probably didn't open the app for like a very long time. Even though I do social media for a living, like when I consume too much social media, it's not good for me and my mental health. So I was like, I don't know if I want to add like another social media platform. But lately, because I've been really into like fall and I wanted to get into the fall mood, TikTok's been like really good for like product reviews, and I've just been going through a rabbit hole, and so I've been just having more fun with it, experimenting. Oh my god, it's so hot. My parents are coming to New York in 3 days, so I want to get everything cleaned up. And a big thank you to Macy's for sponsoring this video. Okay, hey! Oh my
goodness. She'll put a little more pressure. Yeah, a little bit more pressure. And then when you get towards the end, lift it away. I'm excited.
What are you trying to I love this one. Oh my god! This one is so good.
Oh my god,
I saw
so
that
good.
hanging and I was like, ooh, that's gonna be pretty.
After seeing the photos, though, you know what I mean? Yeah. I think I like this one better. But like,
That one has like a little bit more of like a uniqueness.
I don't know, what do you think?
So I did a little bit of shopping on Macy's. Big thank you to Macy's for sponsoring this portion of the video. I got some really cute shoes and sweats. First things first, we've got a quarter zip. I love quarter zips because it's so chic to wear dressed up or down. And I'm going to pair this look with these sneakers, which I'm particularly excited about. I actually heard so many good reviews about these. I think I just found my new cool girl sneakers because I'm obsessed with these shoes. For the second look, I'm wearing the same quarter zip but in black with the matching shorts. I'm going to try on these sneakers. I love the gum sole detail. It's giving me that vintage athleisure look. The next look, I'm wearing a tracksuit, which I think is really cute and it's perfect for those days when I go to the gym. This is the next outfit. I love this v-neck detail, and I'm wearing the sweatpants in a beautiful burgundy color. So you can shop online for free shipping on orders $49 or more, or you can have fast and free pickup in stores. You can shop Reebok clothing and shoes at Macy's, and there is a fab fall sale that's happening right now through October 14th, so be sure to check out all the Reebok items on sale during this time. I want to show you guys the update with my rug. In a few videos ago, I showed you guys the aftermath of Dobby vomiting on my rug. So this is the aftermath of Rue trying to eat through the vomit stain. I tried to like steam it out. Every time I look at the rug, I just notice it getting worse and worse. So that is my rug. Rue likes to destroy his bed. It is 6 in the morning and my parents just landed in JFK. Very excited. I'm also kind of tired. And right now I am making breakfast for Bloody Salsa Man. Making him my signature protein chopped sandwich. 어서 오세요. 여기서 다리 밑에 찍었지.
네, 브로콜리.
뉴욕 패션. 넓어서 잘라. 참기름 좀 쳐줄까? 참기름. 버섯. 엄마표 김치. 맛있어? 뜨거운 밥에다 먹으면 beautiful. 나 밥 한 숟가락 넣어봐. 이제 또 먹어봐. 조그맣게. So now we are in Home Depot. First thing my dad did as soon as he got to my place was look for all the things that need home improvement. He's basically doing all the things that I was avoiding, putting in the back burner. Thank you. Oh, this like cuts so smoothly.
Oh my god, that's you and I also share like a half.
이렇게 만든 거 좋은 이렇게 쓰는 게 수동으로. 아니야? 이거 들고 가야 되는 거지.
이렇게 꽃다발만 달고 있으면 돼요.
긴 줄이 없어? 얼마?
좀그 소리 좀 하지 말아주세요. Don't touch. So nice.
어디로 갈까요? 스테이크하우스?
Ignore my messy closet. I might even blur it out because it's so embarrassing. The moment I just came back from a little bit of shopping, did a little bit of damage. I wanted to get my mom a little retirement gift, and also in Korean culture, when someone turns 60, that's like kind of considered like a big birthday moment. So I wanted to get her a little gift for that too. She barely brought any clothes here because everything's being shipped to Korea. So I'm trying to find like something cute for her to try on the bag with, because all she's got are sweats. I owned this stainless steel pan. It was in a really bad condition after cooking like meat on it, but my dad scrubbed it all off for the past hour, and now it's like literally brand spanking new. So I'm gonna try to cook an egg on it. I just feel like I don't know how to use it properly. So. Oh. 이건 잘 됐다.
됐다.